In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restart Monopoly Go. Whether you've encountered a glitch or you just want to start fresh, restarting the app is a simple process that can help you get back to enjoying the game. Let's walk through each step together. First, you'll want to open Monopoly Go on your device. Locate the app icon on your home screen or within your app drawer. Tapping on the icon should bring up the familiar Monopoly Go interface, loaded with all its exciting features and gameplay. Take a moment to ensure the app has launched completely to avoid any errors during reopening. Now, with the app open, you're ready to move on to the next step, accessing the app switcher. To activate the app switcher, swipe up from the bottom of your screen if you're using a recent model smartphone. This motion is swift and intuitive, designed to make switching between apps a breeze. For those using devices with a home button, a double press of the home button should suffice. The app switcher displays all the applications currently open on your device in a list or a carousel format, depending on your operating system. Now, look for Monopoly Go in the app switcher. Once you've located it, it's time for the next crucial step, closing the app. This is accomplished by swiping up on the Monopoly Go app preview. As you do this, you'll notice the app disappearing from the switcher. This indicates that the app is now closed. Taking the time to ensure you've closed Monopoly Go properly is essential, as it resets the app session and can solve many minor bugs and issues that might have arisen during gameplay. With Monopoly Go closed, you've reset the application state. What's left is to reopen the app. Navigate back to your home screen and tap on the Monopoly Go icon once more. The app should now relaunch, offering a fresh start and hopefully a smoother, more enjoyable gaming experience. If the problems you are encountering persist even after a restart, consider checking for updates in your app store or seeking help from the game's support team for more extensive troubleshooting tips. Restarting Monopoly Go is a quick and effective way to resolve issues, clear out any temporary glitches, and start anew. It's a simple yet powerful tool every player should know about to enhance their gaming experience. Enjoy your time rolling the dice, building empires, and conquering the Monopoly board. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!